Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit background in CapCut PC so easy. For example, I'm just going to add one image here and I'm going to edit the background. So how to first I'm going to cut out select auto cut out to remove the background. So the background has been removed and I'm just going to add another clip. So I have one video here and I'm just going to move to top for the image and just for the duration the same length, and you can see, yeah, you can select another image to background, for example, just merge it like so, and you can also add the um, overlay here. Right, it's loading. Just all right. Yeah, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.